Hello friends, my name is Manvi and we are shooting this video on behalf of Prop 99 and we are at Imperial Apartments. Right, so the project we are visiting today, it is Imperial Apartment and the project is located on very beautiful location. To be very particular, I would say it is in Sector 5, Zirakpur, Dhakoli. And about the project is, the entire project is on 8.5 acres of a land and it is a joint venture of a low-rise apartment and high-rise apartment. Right? So the project entirely consists of 516 flats, right? And it has got all the amenities that any RERA approved group housing societies can have. It has got a huge central garden, swimming pool, clubhouse area, open amphitheater, kids play area, everything that we look forward in a modern group housing society. And as I told you, the entire project is 3 BHK. The size of the flat is 1450 square feet. The best part about this project is these apartments are possession ready apartments. Yes, you heard it right. These are ready to move in apartments. So let's have a look. So as I was telling, we are at Imperial Apartments, Sector 5, Zirakpur, Dhakoli, and the project is entirely 3 BHK. It's such a beautiful group housing society RERA approved project. And see, to beautify this housing group, you can see a huge central garden. See, this central garden is kind of USP to this project and it is beautiful. So let's just begin to visit the project I'm talking about. Yes, it is by the name of Imperial Apartments, and as I was telling you, the entire project is 3 BHK group and the size of the flat is 1450 square feet, and the best part is it is ready to move in property. Yes, you've heard it absolutely right, it is ready to move in property. Project का पूरा tour मैं आपको starting से करवाती हूँ. Let's get to the main entrance and see the project. See, as I was telling you, the USP of this project is this beautiful huge garden and you can see the sunlight. हम सबको पता है सनलाइट किसी भी ग्रुप हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. आप इस गार्डन में देख सकते हैं कितनी ही ब्यूटीफुल सनलाइट आ रही है एंड द ग्रीनरी इज ऑसम. एंड टू ब्यूटिफाई दिस सेंट्रल गार्डन वी हैव गॉट ओपन एम्फीथिएटर एज यू कैन सी हियर. जैसे आप हमारे छोटे छोटे फंक्शन इंडिया में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स हैं उनको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. एंड वी हैव गॉट अ बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट देयर, ओपन जिम, open kids play area, everything what a modern group housing society can have, this project has. So as I was explaining that we've got a low-rise apartment too. So here we are for the sample flat and this is the lift area. Since this is a 4-story apartments, right? This is still plus 4 stories. So this is the lift area. Let's get to the sample flat now. So as we see, we enter into the drawing dining area. It has a beautiful space for this huge sofa and a dining table on the other corner. And इसमें एक बहुत ही beautiful corner है. मुझे इसे पूजा corner, we call it a पूजा corner. It's such a beautiful corner. अगर आप इसको किसी other purposes के लिए use करना चाहते हैं, like for a store room and for bar and stuff, you can. And so let's move to the first bedroom. Wow, see the space is huge as you can see कि बेड के बाद भी हमारे पास कितना ओपन स्पेस बचता है. एंड द साइज ऑफ दिस बेडरूम इज 11 by 15. इस सैम्पल फ्लैट में सारे के सारे जो बेडरूम्स हैं ऑलमोस्ट 11 by 15 एंड इट हैज़ गॉट अ अटैच्ड वॉशरूम. वॉशरूम आपको एज इट इज ऐसा ही मिलने वाला है. Isn't it beautiful? With all the branding fittings, I must say. And the room is also attached with a beautiful spacious balcony. Yes, one thing I forgot to tell you, ये जो apartments हैं, these are called both side open apartments, right? इसका क्या मतलब है कि इसके पीछे कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है. दिस इज अ बैक बालकनी एंड वी हैव अनदर बालकनी दैट इज कॉल्ड द फ्रंट बालकनी. दोनों साइड से ये जो फ्लैट है वो ओपन है. इसके पीछे कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे 25 फीट वाइड जो रोड है वो है और यहाँ पे 5 फीट में प्लांटेशन हो रही है. So let's get to the second bedroom. Second bedroom is a master bedroom and it has also got a huge and beautiful space, as you can see. It has also got a attached washroom with it. Wow. With a beautiful luxury. And the huge, I would say the spacious almirahs we've got. खोलने के बाद भी हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 फीट का जो है वो स्पेस बचता है टू मूव अराउंड. एंड द सेम बालकनी है शोन जो मैंने आपको दिखाई है सेकंड बेडरूम के साथ, वही इसके साथ भी अटैच्ड है. हम यहाँ से ही उसका लुक ले लेते हैं. Isn't it beautiful? Let's move to the third bedroom. So guys, this is the third bedroom and this one is my favorite. Why? पहले 2 reasons तो वही हैं जो बाकी 2 bedroom के साथ थे. ये बहुत ही spacious है and it got beautiful almirahs and it has also got an attached washroom with it. What a feel of luxury, right? Why this bedroom is my favorite? Because जो balcony इस bedroom के साथ attached है, it has got a marvelous view. Please come. Just have a look at the view. Wow, what a perfect morning this is going to be in here, right? Now, घर का जो बहुत ही important and chaotic area होता है ना, favorite too, kitchen. It is beautiful and मुझे the kitchen is modular, yes. बहुत ही beautiful and soft touch जो इसके cabinets बने हुए हैं. मुझे इस किचन में ये वाला स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. आई एम वन ऑफ दोज पीपल जिनको अपनी जो ग्लास क्रॉकरी होती है ना वो शो ऑफ करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है और ये उसके लिए परफेक्ट प्लेस है. एंड येस, देयर इज़ अ सेपरेट स्पेस फॉर रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड as you see, the cabinets are beautiful. और आपको किचन exactly as it is ही मिलने वाली है. And this is properly ventilated and it has a beautiful sunlight because of this door. So this is it, guys. Those who are looking for ready to move in luxurious 3 BHK in Zirakpur location, call on the number given below. And it is ready to move in, guys. Keep this thing in mind. It is a beautiful project. Don't forget to visit Imperial Apartment, Sector 5, Zirakpur, Daboli. My name is Manvi. Thank you.